Hello and welcome for another online educational vlog. So ang vlog na ito ay continuation ng aking previous vlog about online school sa Pilipinas kung saan ka pwede makapag-enroll at makapagtapos ng iyong bachelor's degree habang ikaw ay nagtatrabaho o kaya naman kung ikaw ay isang OFW. Sa previous vlog ko din ay na-feature ko yung 7 schools including yung school na pinanggalingan ko which is AMA OED. Sa vlog naman na ito ay mag-feature ako ng 5 schools. So first on the list is the University of the Philippines Open University. So dito ako ngayon sa page ng UP Open University sa kanilang academics page. Dito ay merong undergraduate, graduate certificate, diploma, masters, and doctorate. So magpo-focus tayo sa bachelor's degree. So sa kanilang bachelor's degree, from Faculty of Education, nag-offer sila ng Bachelor of Education Studies. While sa Faculty of Information and Communication Studies naman, nag-offer sila ng Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia Studies. So, dalawa lang yung in-offer nila na online course, which is based sa bachelor's degree, and the rest is more on master's certificates and doctorates na. Next is Southville International School and Colleges. So, dito naman ay nag-offer sila ng various bachelor's degree programs. So, andito lang yan sa page nila. Una is nag-offer sila ng online BS Psychology. Pangalawa is online BS Information Technology. Pangatlo is online BA in Business Management. Next is online BA in Accounting and Finance. Next is online BA in Human Resource Management. Online BA in Marketing. Online BA in Entrepreneurship and Small Business Management. Online BSBA in Marketing Management. Online Bachelor's Degree in Real Estate Management, which is a blended type. So, kung makikita mo dito sa page nila, mostly mga artista yung nakalagay. Hindi ko naman masyadong kilala kung sino itong mga to. Basta nakikita ko lang sila sa TV. So ito lang siya, kilala ko ito. Ito rin ay kilala ko. Ito naman, kilala ko yan. And the rest, hindi ko alam kung sino sila. By the way, hindi ko rin alam kung itong mga nakalagay na mga actors and actresses dito ay dito rin ba sa kanila nag-aaral, kasi hindi ako updated sa school na yan. Ang alam ko lang kasi is na-feature yan and nami-mention yan ng mga ibang actors and actresses during the interviews. Kasi minsan kapag nanonood ako ng mga interviews, naririnig ko yung school na yan na yung mga anak nila doon nag-aaral, yung mga kapatid. So, siguro magandang school din yan. And ano yan siya, yung meron silang in-offer na online bachelor's degree which is affiliated in UK schools. So, ito yon. Online UK Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, in Accounting and Finance, Human Resource and Management, Marketing, Entrepreneurship and Small Business Management, and meron silang in-offer na online MBA sa Philippines. So, all in all, mukhang maganda ang school na to kasi meron siyang affiliation sa ibang bansa. So, internationally recognized kasi siya. So number 3 is St. Paul University. So St. Paul University is based on Cagayan. Cagayan ba? Yes, Cagayan sa Tuguegarao exactly. Pero meron silang different branches sa Philippines. Alam ko lang itong university na ito kasi nung nagtatrabaho ako doon sa Malate, sa Manila Manor Hotel, nadadaanan ko to, yung St. Paul University Manila. So, dito naman sa website nila, hindi kasi siya naka-mention kung ano yung mga yung offered na bachelor's degree nila, kaya kailangan mo talagang i-click or makipag-communicate sa school kung gusto mong malaman kung available ba yung kinukuha mo na bachelor's degree in a certain areas. Kasi sa academics nila meron ditong basic education, yes, general education ito. School of Arts, Sciences, and Teacher Education, yes. For sure, meron silang online courses dito. School of Business, Accountancy, and Hospitality Management, meron din yan. School of Information Technology and Engineering, for sure meron din dyan. Nursing and Allied Health Sciences, hindi ko lang alam kung meron yan. School of Medicine, for sure actual yan. Kasi yung mga, meron yung mga courses kasi na pwede mo siyang i-online, meron yung mga courses na hindi mo siya pwedeng i-online. So, kailangan actual yun. Like yung mga medicine, hindi ka naman pwede mag-online na mag-operation. So, it's normal. And, based naman sa pagkakarinig ko sa school na to is maganda ring school yan kasi yung mga students naman dyan kasi ano yan sa St. Paul University kasi katapat lang yan ng UP. So number 4 is the University of the Northern Philippines, which is based in Ilocos. Marami din siyang campus sa parts ng Pilipinas and dito tayo ngayon sa kanyang website. So ito ang website ng University of the Northern Philippines. Ang ino-offer nila na bachelor's degree through online. So, ito yan siya. So, dito ay naka-mention din, kaya lang iisa lang yung ino-offer nila. So, marami din silang areas. So, meron sa master's, meron silang bachelor's degree, pero bachelor's degree in criminology lang ang nakalagay sa website. So, again, kung kailangan yung alamin kung available ba yung mga gusto nyong kunin na course or kung meron kang preference na course like sa business administration or sa information technology or sa engineering side, kailangan mong mag-communicate sa school kasi ito lang yung nakalagay sa website, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. So yan yun, fully detailed yan. Pwede mo pa siyang i-download. And again, ilalagay ko yung mga links ng mga school na to sa aking description box dito sa vlog. Kaya makikita nyo rin yan at pwede nyong i-click yung mga links para malaman nyo additional related information ng mga schools. So last on the list is the Pacific Intercontinental Colleges, which is based in Las Piñas. So pareho sila ng Southville, based in Las Piñas yun. So dito naman, dito sa kanilang online page, ito ay sa academics. So academics, undergraduate programs. So sa undergraduate programs nila ay nag-offer sila ng Bachelor of Arts in English, Bachelor of Science in General Education, major in Early Childhood Education, major in Math Education, major in Music Education, major in Physical Education, major in Real Estate Education, major in Social Welfare, major in Special Education, major in Speech Communication, major in Theology Education, at major in Educational Management. So, meron silang affiliate program sa associate degree, Bachelor of Arts din, and Bachelor of Science degrees with PIC Foreign Affiliate Universities. So, kasi nakikita ko sa page nila, ang PIC kasi is meron din sa Korea. So, sa pagkakalam ko doon ito. So, ito yung mga courses na in-offer doon. Bachelor of Science in General Education, major in Physical Education, Bachelor of Arts in Theology, Bachelor of Science in General Education, major in Real Estate, Bachelor of Arts in Law, Bachelor of Science in Early Childhood Education, Bachelor of Science in Color Therapy, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, and Bachelor of Science in Business Management. So marami itong affiliate ang PIC and Southville International Schools and Colleges. So meron silang both local and international. Kasi kagaya rin itong school na kung saan ako nag-aaral sa abroad, meron din siyang mga affiliate from different universities. Ang pagkakalam ko is umabot niya ng 7 or 8 universities from different parts of Europe naman niya sa akin. So, i-add ko lang sa video na ito na ang pag-online schooling ay hindi rin niya nakadepende fully doon sa school kung saan ka nag-enroll, kundi majority yan nakadepend sa'yo bilang isang online learner. Kasi marami akong nakikita na marami yung nagko-comment ng negative review about some schools, which is some of it are fair naman, pero most of it kasi are based on observation, is doon mismo sa side ng learner yung nagiging issue. So meron akong i-feature na isang vlog about how online school will be effective for you as a learner at para din sa institution and para din sa mga future aspirant or students or online students ng mga schools na ito. Kasi ako talaga, hindi ako nagbe-base doon sa school kung saan ako nag-aral. Nagbe-base ako kung paano ko in-apply yung inaral ko, dahil ang believe ko sa buhay is whether nag-aral ka sa pinaka magandang school, nag-aral ka sa pinaka lowest rank na school, hindi sa school magre-reflect yung iyong performance at a later stage, kundi nasa iyo bilang mag-aaral, bilang natututo sa educational institution, at bilang nag-a-apply ng iyong napag-aralan papunta sa real world. So, yun yung dapat nating iisipin dyan. So, lagi natin tatandaan na ang pag-aaral ay hindi talaga nakadepende sa institution, kundi nakadepende sa atin talaga mag-aaral kung paano natin gagawin, aaralin, matutunan, at paano natin i-apply yung ating mga napag-aralan. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching and see you on my next online educational vlogs. Bye!